All right, now let's get wild. I mean, seriously, so this next song is going to kick ass, I promise. It's going to kick ass because the only way we know how to play it is kick ass, all right? Just being honest with you. Now,
motherfucking cops.
That means that right off the bat, no matter what happens, it's going to be about right here. Which is pretty high up off the ground, really. You know, about hat level. It's pretty high. I want to get you here, though. I want to get you here. It is not up to me. It is 100% y'all out there. So let's make a decision right now. Is it going to be here or here? I don't think I heard what I said. Is it going to be here or here? All right then. Good. All right. That means that when I sing clap your hands, y'all clap your hands like this. Clap them. Everybody. Clap. All right. There we go. All right. Now, here's the hard part. When I sing stomp your feet like this. Stomp them. Louder! Harder! There we go. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. All right, now, it's getting harder still. This might be the hardest part of them all. When I sing scream out loud, you will? When I sing scream out loud, you will? It's pretty good. There was one really high-pitched scream over there. I like that. I like the spirit there. Perfect. All right, then, let's get back to picking. Let me just warm up my bass player and we'll... there's out of tune and there's out of tune. Hang on. There we go, out of tune, that's better. This song's called Sure Feels Like Rain.
Oh, yeah?
This right here is a 1x2 glued to a cigar box with 3 strings on it. And it was a gift from a fan in Nashville, Tennessee. And this is a kind of a lesson in gift giving, because sometimes you give somebody something and it inspires them in such a way that they do something like write a song, and that's what I did here. And this song, it ain't on the record. Maybe it will be someday, I don't know. But regardless, it's for right here and right now, so it goes like this. back so roll today. And it's things ain't good, and it's things ain't gold. And I'm having, now they go well, they don't need on anyway. Please him all anyway. Things ain't gold, and I'm having, how they go well, they don't need on anyway. They go, and I'm having, how they go well, we don't need on anyway. And it's things ain't gold, and it's things ain't gold, and I'm having, how they go well, we don't need on anyway. Let's do a Christmas song. What do you say? Right about the time Breezy broke the Christmas tree, we did Christmas.
I'm just keeping Dave on his toes.
Now, this is not a, well, I think maybe it should be a normal Christmas song. Actually, it's not going to be on any of those like harp Christmas music CDs this year or anything, and it probably won't, you know, be recorded by the Chipmunks. At least not this year. Maybe next. We'll see. But this song is a song that I lived very much, and.
In fact, I believe my wedding ring is paid for by it.
A little bit. A little bit. The song's called I'm Giving Plasma for Christmas this year. So I lived it. I want y'all to help me sing it. But before we can really do it right, I need some sleigh bells. And we just happen to have on tour with us the finest sleigh bell player maybe in the world. And that's our tour manager, Mr. Flavor Dave, sir. Dave's 7'8". It helps being tall when you play sleigh bells.
He used to play sleigh bells full time, but because it really only pays 1 month out of a year, he started going on tour with us. Yeah. So this year we decided to keep him for December. We'd do the song.
Might as well take advantage of it.
And nobody else wanted him.
All right, help us sing it. Hit it, Dave.
Christmas.
Listen, isn't that beautiful? It just sounds like, let's bask in it for a little bit.
Like a bear. Sleigh bells ringing, Christmas time. Paris
time of the year. But if you ain't got money, folks, so find a race over there. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Well, if you ain't got money, folks, tell you what I do. I go down and trade the book. I make all my trade follow it. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Well, I've been dreaming of a Christmas fight where inside everybody's warm. There's food tracks in the snow outside, and potato tracks all up down my home. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Hard times and Christmas cheer. We're giving plasma, Christmas is here. Ladies and gentlemen, give it one more time for Mr. Flavor Dave on the sleigh bells.
We've got that song for free on our website now. So
Yeah, you can go to our website, and if you go to the forums, bigdamnband.com, you can click over and get
maybe
a
for
free,
people that you don't like enough to buy a present, just send them
a free song. Yeah. Or maybe people you really like. Send them a Chipmunk CD if you don't like them. Send them us if you do. Here's another true story. On TV, shaving in the dark, hold down. Officers and speed breaking home. The prices don't die. 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 baby.